Welcome to Attendance Keeper. After logging into Attendance Keeper with your verified credentials, you'll be guided through a quick setup wizard to configure your account. Step 1. Create department. First, create a department by selecting the branch, entering the department name, and assigning an in-charge. This helps organize your employees into teams. Step 2. Create designation. Next, create a designation for the employees in your department. Enter the job title, select the branch, and assign the department. Step 3. Create leave type. Now, define the leave types for your organization. Name the leave type, select the branch, and set the total days available for this type of leave. Step 4. Create schedule template. Finally, create a work schedule template. Set the title, branch, and work hours for each day of the week. You can also define the break allowance and days off. Once all steps are completed, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can start managing attendance, leaves, and more. The dashboard gives you an overview of your team's activity, leave requests, and attendance data. That's it, you're all set to manage your team with Attendance Keeper. Welcome aboard, and happy managing your employees.